What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Simon, Goodheart PA, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. We make videos here in Canva Play to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. Alright then, let me start our today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a text image cutout effect in Canva. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a stunning text image cutout effect in Canva, where an image fills the shape of your text, making it visually captivating. Instead of plain text colors, the letters will showcase the image you choose, blending design and creativity seamlessly. This technique is perfect for adding a unique touch to your designs and grabbing attention. Let's get into Canva and I will show you how to create a text image cutout effect. But before that, here is the design that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page and let's create a design. To start, get your subject image from photos or uploads. For this tutorial, I will get mine from uploads. I will click and insert my image on my design page. You can locate this image in photos by typing the keyword cute man wearing heart-shaped glasses on color background into the search bar. I selected this photo of a man with a comic and vibrant personality to blend and match with the word I plan to incorporate later. The tones of blue, red, and skin complement each other beautifully, creating a positive and appealing feel. Finding keywords is hard and time consuming, and you need to do a depth search and a lot more time to find this kind of keyword. If you want to save time and find extraordinary keywords like this in Canva, we have created an ebook called Canva Deep. Canva Deep is an ebook of 900 plus Canva search keywords with visual presentations that are widely known and deep searched to help you find the exact stock Canva resources for your day-to-day designs. Going back, I will resize this image to fill the background, but don't set it as the background. Just resize it to occupy the page space so you can easily move and crop it later. Duplicate the image and save the copy for later. For the first page, image, lock it. Next, go to Elements tab in the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Frame section. And click See All to explore options ranging from basic shapes to trending custom frames. In the search bar, type letter frames to filter frames specifically for letters. Frames are elements that allow you to insert images inside them. To continue, let's select letter frames of our choice until we complete or spell out the word we want to insert into the design. I'm planning to use the word vibe, so I'll need the letters E, I, B as in boy, and V as in victory. Click the letters to insert them into the design page. After that, we will resize them and make them the same size. I think when I inserted them a while ago, it's already in the default size and they are all the same size. I spelled it out, the word vibe. Awesome, we're getting there. For our next step, we will position the letter frames on the image where we want them to be. I'm envisioning a design where the image forms the shape of the text, not just a plain rectangular image. Instead, one side of the image will seamlessly take the shape of the word vibe. So, I will place my letter frames in a vertical position, slightly beside the face. Like this. I want them to be aligned left. I've finished aligning the letter frames. And now, I want to add a solid white border to them. To do this, I'll select the first letter frame, the letter V. Then go to the top bar and click the border style button. I'll choose the straight line for a solid border. Set the border weight to 7. And change the border color to white using the button beside the border style option. To save time, use the copy style tool on the edited letter frame and then highlight the other 3 letter frames to apply the same style to them. Next, we're going to add the image we used as the background to the letter frames. So let's head over again to Uploads again and drag the subject image into the letter frame. Resize the image inside the letter frames to match the background size exactly. The background serves as a guide to make the image seamlessly blend into the frames. Let me show you how it's done. We're now halfway through the tutorial. To proceed, delete the lock image background and keep only the letter frames. Download the letter frames, making sure to check the box for transparent background. Re-upload them once done. Okay, let's leave that for now. Select all the letter frames and copy them to the duplicate background we set earlier. Now, here's the tricky and interesting part. The reason we didn't set the image as the background earlier is so we can move or crop it freely, as it's not permanently attached to the page. Watch how I crop the image to make it seamlessly blend with the word vibe. Make duplicates of the image until the word vibe and the image align perfectly with no white space in between. Make sure that your word vibe is in the front layer. Awesome! Next, let's use the uploaded vibe image in the design. Insert the image into the design page, making it occupy the entire page and match the size of the letter frames. And place it as a layer to the frames. I want to add a shadow to the word vibe, and since shadows can only be applied to images, that's why I downloaded the vibe word earlier. Once selected, go to the edit button in the top bar, then under effects, go to shadows, choose the drop shadow. Adjust the following settings. Blur amount 11, angle 60, distance 5, intensity 100. Resize and adjust the image to fit it with the letter frames. Okay, we're almost finished. Let's now add a background photo to the design. Go to the Photos library on the left sidebar. Search for the keyword. Light brown dotted paper, textured background. Hit enter. Click the first image that appears and set it as your background. I will now zoom in so you can see the design clearly. This is the final look of the design I created using the Text Image Cutout Effect in Canva. That's it! For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, Goodheart VA, saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky Godsent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you don't miss the next video with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys! See you in the next video.